For today, I want to show you how to use a different app. Instead of using just our graphing calculator, let's say we want to use for your iPad, if you want a cleaner, nicer graph, and it's actually pretty easy to use, you can use our Google Sheets app. I think you should be able to access that under your Surface. And also with your Google Sheets, there's also you could it the same kind of works with your Microsoft Excel app, but they're pretty much similar. They use the same functions, just different buttons. But here I'll show you how to do this with a Google Sheets. So here we have a chart with the age of a cars and the price of the cars. As example, in number 41 in the assignments on page 197. So you can see some really easy versatility with this. If I happen to highlight all this, just one row, and you look at the bottom, I can already see the sum is 92. The average or the mean is they already give me the average, right, is 61. They give me my maximum, my minimum, and my count, which is how many numbers or how many cells there are. It's actually only 15, but they count the ones that all the cells you highlight. But so this, if I highlight both of them, right, my age and my price, and I go to this plus up here on the upper right hand corner like so, and I go to chart here. I want to add a chart. Bam, right away it gives me a scatter plot, and it gives me my prices for year. It gives me a year as my X, my prices as my Y instantly, because we put in our X first, put in our Y second, but it doesn't even have to be scatter charts, right? Let's say there's other different charts here. Let's say we want to do the ones that we generally do here. Let's see. We can have some bar graphs, some areas, but for our case now, we can use our spreadsheets for our scatter plots here.